BeeHive is a second-hand women's clothing boutique and cafe right in the heart of Ashford in Kent. We support women locally by giving them a place of community, by giving them training and skills, and also providing women that need clothing with free clothing as well. So we actually started 5 years ago in October just gone. We started as a pop-up shop. We opened just for the month of October 5 years ago. We operate entirely to help other people. We make money through the shop to make the project work, so we're able to give things away for free.
We heard that you won an award called the Muddy Stiletto. What's that?
Yeah, so the Muddy Stilettos was set up to support independent businesses, so small businesses across the country, and we won the best fashion store in Kent. So yeah, which is really great, especially as we only sell second-hand clothes. We aren't like high fashion, but it's about what we do to support women that people really love.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Would you like to share with us any anecdote of the process of establishing this beautiful place?
Oh, there's so many stories that we could tell. We started to see lots of women from Ukraine being resettled in Ashford, and they were living with people in host families. And so we decided we would put on a coffee morning so they could just come and have a bit of community with each other, be able to speak in their own language. Lots of other organisations come here to meet with the Ukrainian families to help them get work, to help them get their finances sorted, to help them with all sorts of things. They come to this shop, so it's become this big thing that has really supported all of those people that have had to flee the war in Ukraine. It has been a really special thing that's happened this year.
If you could wish anything for the next year, just starting in a couple of weeks.
Yeah. So one of our big plans for the next year is we're opening a second shop in another town. So really excited for that happening next year and being able to help more people in another town.